tourist attraction, especially cultural tourism. Therefore, today we will visit one of the cultural attractions in Malang, namely the Petirtaan Ngawonggo site. The Ngawonggo Petirtaan site is the location in the region district Malang Regency as Java. It's located between the Kemanja River. Residents around the location of Petirtaan Ngawonggo has known the site since 1970. As a site characterized by Petirtaan or holy bath, Petirtaan Ngawonggo is always in contact with the water. As a site more characterized by Petirtaan of holy bath, Petirtaan Ngawonggo is believed to be a place where spiritual leaders purify themselves. As we know, Petirtaan Ngawonggo also there are many relics of Reka or statues that are still well preserved. The condition of the relief is mostly worn out. However, signs that facilitate visual interpretation can still be seen and read. Along the reliefs, ropes are stretched to prevent visitors from directly touching the reliefs carved on 9 panels. This is done because the structure of Petirtaan Ngawonggo is made of stone, which is easily weathered and destroyed. The site is maintained and preserved by the local community, with regular cleaning and maintenance activities by the community members and the kelompok sadar wisata or Pok Darwis, the Petirtaan Ngawonggo site. Visitors to the site can experience local cuisine and participate in various cultural activities. Additionally, the site is a subject of archaeological research, as evidenced by the use of magnetic method for mapping the subsurface of the archaeological site. This area of the Petirtaan, there is a place called Tomboan, where guests are served local food harvested or picked from the area. The site holds historical and significant cultural and is actively preserved and maintained by local community and authorities.
Karena desa kami namanya Ngawonggo, maka sekarang kan ketika ditemukan tinggalan arkeologis atau CB, cagar budaya, di mana di situ ditemukan atau di desa itu ditemukan kebetulan di sini desa Ngawonggo, makanya kami pakai situs Petirtaan Ngawonggo. Nah, situs sendiri artinya adalah tinggalan-tinggalan arkeologis atau yang ada di kawasan itu. Kalau Petirtaan, awal kata tirta, air, jadi air suci yang dipakai untuk sarana keagamaan.
In this event, we are not only learn about the history of Petirtaan Ngawonggo, but we also learn about the importance of maintaining and preserving historical relics for our generation. So we can know historical relics always around in our daily life. Therefore, we as the younger generation should maintain and preserve the culture, so it will be known until later.